This is my snake plant's current condition. The leaves are drooping. Let's try to save this plant from dying. Hi all, I'm Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. This is a Sansevieria Golden Hahnii plant which I bought almost a year ago from Gao. You can check the unboxing video as well on this channel. But currently the days are not going good, and as we see here, the plant has almost left all its life. Let's try our best in order to revive this beauty. Starting with that, let us discuss on how this would have happened and how can we prevent this from happening. I agree, it was my mistake. Rather, two mistakes which I made which caused this loss. Talking about the first one, you and me know very well that snake plants barely need any water for survival. I used to water this plant once in 20 to 30 days and it used to be fine always. The mistake I did recently was to water it in excessive amount at once. It was not watered for almost a month and I watered it too much in one go. The second mistake I did was I kept it completely indoors for almost 3 to 4 months without even a single day out. This restricted the amount of light on the plant and caused an issue. I insist not to repeat my mistakes. This leaf looks completely yellow. It means that there is no scope here. Let's cut it down to verify. As I am cutting this, we are still seeing the yellow part. And that means even though we try to propagate this, it is not going to work at all. With a heavy heart, we will need to discard this leaf. Let's try to separate all the affected leaves now. After cutting the bottom part, I see there is no trace of any root. So let me now remove all the loosened up leaves one by one very gently. The newest leaves which are there in the center look healthy. Let's try to keep them safe in all the process. I am now cutting all the affected leaves. Even though these are affected at the bottom, we can still use the healthy part for new propagation. And here is the healthy part which is left with literally no roots at all. I am now going to use some amount of rooting hormone powder. The one I am using currently is from brand Fast Roots and you can easily get it from Amazon. I will put the link in description. Covering the whole portion with this powder now. Let's keep this aside and start with our leaf cuttings. I'm now going to cut these leaves based on the healthy remaining part. Let us keep cutting this until we see some healthy part. It still looks yellow, so let's cut little more. Now this looks fine, so let us cut this in a V kind of shape. This will enhance the root growth using the rooting hormone immediately. Let's follow the same for all remaining leaves now. So finally this is our final result. I'm now going to leave this for a day and will propagate in soil or water after that. If you have any suggestions, please drop those in comment box below. Like this video if you appreciate my content and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the progress of this plant. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.